If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Minecraft, calibrating your settings can help improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your game for a smoother experience. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the Options menu, then select Video Settings. Here, you can lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and reduce particles to improve performance. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. To allocate more RAM to Minecraft, go to the Minecraft launcher, click on Installations, and select your profile. Under More Options, find the JVM Arguments section and change the XMX value to allocate more memory, ensuring your system has enough available. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 4. Install performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine or Sodium. These mods provide additional options for optimizing graphics settings and can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. This can free up CPU and RAM, allowing Minecraft to run more smoothly. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in Minecraft's performance and a reduction in frame stuttering. Enjoy your gaming experience.